You're listening to the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio. This is station WNG 920 in Westover. This station proud to serve the Westover Islands, including South Beach. Programming originates from the National Weather Service in Bordenville, with transmission facilities provided by the Westover Islands Power and Light Company. For information, such as weather forecasts, alerts, and climate information, go to our website at weather.gov/BRV. You can also follow us on Twitter at @NSBordenville. The current time is 2:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the listening area. Day 1, today through tonight. A low-pressure system is expected to move through the forecast area, bringing a risk of heavy rainfall, gusty winds and possible flooding. Expected rainfall totals of 5 inches are possible, and a flash flood watch may be needed late through the time frame. Days 2 through 7, Friday through Tuesday, no hazardous weather is expected Friday through Tuesday. Spotter information statement, spotter activate. Tsunami warning for the Westover Islands. Repeat, tsunami warning for the Westover Islands. The National Weather Service in Bordenville has issued a tsunami warning for the Westover Islands. If you are located within this coastal area, urgent action should be taken immediately to protect life and property. At 2:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on March 22nd, an earthquake estimated to be 8.1 occurred 7 miles north-northwest of Kensington, Delaware. Sea levels have confirmed that a tsunami has been generated, which may cause widespread damage to the cities of Palm Shores, Kensington, and South Beach. Tsunami wave heights cannot be predicted, and can vary significantly along coasts. The tsunami will impact the following locations: Kensington, Delaware, at 2:16 p.m. on March 22nd. Palm Shores, Delaware, at 2:20 p.m. on March 22nd. South Beach, Delaware, at 2:26 p.m. on March 22nd. If you live within the mentioned locations, you are advised to seek higher ground immediately. This is a life-threatening situation. If you live in the warned areas, evacuate to higher ground immediately. Bulletins will be issued hourly, or sooner as conditions warrant. The tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Westover Islands Division of Emergency Management. This is a civil emergency message regarding the tsunami that has impacted the Westover Islands 2 hours ago. Major damage has occurred as a result of the tsunami, with reports of beach houses being washed away from their foundations, power lines being down, and one part of the US 40 bridge at Palm Shores being collapsed. Power outages have occurred, and water rescues are underway with the help of local authorities. The Westover Islands Division of Emergency Management is highly recommending that all residents should stay at higher ground until the flood waters recede. Travel is extremely discouraged until further notice. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, television or local radio stations for the latest on this situation.